Great. Yeah, Suchita. So what you are going to cover up today?
So today I'm just going to cover one my recent stories which we have closed with one partner. So
Okay.
the customer was using a 720 endpoints of Secured. So as
Endpoint protection.
yes, so they were
Okay.
using a Secured endpoints. तो ऐसे ही पार्टनर्स ने बोला कि एक बार कस्टमर को हाई हेलो करके आते हैं बिकॉज वंस द कस्टमर प्रोक्योर द लाइसेंस पार्टनर डजंट गो अनलेस एंड अंटिल देयर इज एन इमरजेंसी फ्रॉम कस्टमर तो
इन
वी
एंडपॉइंट तो अभी
वांट
सालों से है, तो मतलब वो रिन्यू होता रहता है, या इट्स नाउ बेसिकली लाइक अ लैपटॉप डेस्कटॉप, वो
या
लेगेसी हो गई है।
करेक्ट
यस,
तो
यस, एब्सोल्युटली।
तो ऐसे ही वी वेंट टू द कस्टमर फॉर द नॉर्मल डिस्कशन हाउ देयर एंडपॉइंट इज गोइंग ऑन एंड ऑल. So we have just asked customer that what you thought that your endpoint is doing. So what kind of features you have in your mind that my endpoint is having this kind of features. So customer का था कि मेरे तीन चार ही मेजर पॉइंट्स है. मुझे ransomware प्रोटेक्शन चाहिए एज एन एंटीवायरस मालवेयर प्रोटेक्शन एंड ऑल. Then they were having a device control, application control, peripheral controls and all.
Because now I think, as I think after COVID, 80-90% are the laptop and handheld devices. So
Yes, correct,
perimeter has
correct.
vanished. So
Yes,
definitely, जैसे आपने कहा, it's all about web control, and application control is also a critical feature,
correct.
because it's not like every time I am browsing behind the firewall. Yes,
Yeah.
and device control obviously, because that's
Plus,
a
people are working remotely. They are connecting their own Wi-Fi and hotspot
agree,
now.
agree, absolutely.
So
Great.
they were like, we are having this kind of features in our endpoint. Then we asked them that they were not knowing that Sophos is also having an endpoint solution.
Okay.
Because they have described their basic features what they want in their endpoint, so they all were covered in Sophos endpoints. And not only these features, but Sophos is having much more features and a kind of
Because
products
एंड
which
पॉइंट में सुचिता, मेरा कैसा है कि व्हाट आई फील कि
yeah,
एंड पॉइंट इज वन एरिया, लाइक यू सेड कि आई नीड अ प्रोटेक्शन अगेंस्ट द ransomware और जीरो
yeah,
डे अटैक, एंटी
yes,
मेलवेयर, डिवाइस कंट्रोल, वेब कंट्रोल, एप्लीकेशन कंट्रोल, ये सब देते ही है। इट्स ऑल अबाउट स्टैंडर्ड।
correct,
एक तो आई मीन आई होप यू एंड संकेत अग्री दैट माय
yeah,
प्लेटफॉर्म डाइवर्सिटी इज वेरी हाई नाउ, because I don't
yes,
have
correct,
just my endpoint, but
yes,
I also have my AWS workload or Azure
yes,
workload. I also have my
yes,
public and private cloud. I have my VMware or Hyper-V environment. So
correct,
I also have my mobile devices, right? Android and
correct,
iOS. ये
correct.
सब पे मतलब सोफोस करता है, या सिर्फ वो
So
विंडोज को
everything
कवर?
is covered in Sophos. Like for
ओके।
your Windows and Mac, they are having the Windows, Mac, Linux, they are having endpoint protection. For the server, because server का डेटा आजकल बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. रेदर
एंड
डेस्कटॉप पर
सर्वर पे
सिक्योर
वो थिक
करना.
क्लाइंट नहीं लग सकता, नहीं तो मेरा
यस.
परफॉर्मेंस ये होगा ना। सो
Because
इट्स ऑल अबाउट
server
लाइक
requires a different kind of policies and protection than normal
एब्सोल्युटली।
laptop desktop.
यस,
So
यस।
they are capable enough to take protection on servers on Windows, Linux endpoints. Self
Because my
protection,
performance should not go down, right? So
it will
uh,
not go down. So like the
yeah,
agents are into a KBs.
yeah,
Like
okay,
the CPU and memory utilization will be around 1 or 2% when you install that agent on the laptop or servers.
true.
देन सिर्फ लैपटॉप डेस्कटॉप प्रिवेंट करने से भी नहीं होता बिकॉज आजकल बहुत सारे यूजर्स है जो वर्क फ्रॉम होम रिमोट है. अगर मान लो किसी का लैपटॉप वगैरह चोरी हो गया, कोई एम्प्लॉय लैपटॉप लेके चला गया, तो दे ऑल्सो नीड एन एनक्रिप्शन because to secure the data of personal laptop desktop is
And
also a key
encryption,
area.
like you said, is a
Yeah,
compliance as well,
yeah,
because I need to have my hard drive and the removable drive encrypted. So
yes.
yes, absolutely.
सो इंक्रिप्शन एक हो गया. देन मोबाइल्स जो है, बिकॉज आजकल बहुत सारे जो सेल्स पीपल है दे यूज टू मूव आउट ऑफ द ऑफिस प्रेमाइसेस एंड देन एक्सेस द डेटा फ्रॉम देयर मोबाइल ओनली. जो भी ऑफिस का डेटा है वो मोबाइल से एक्सेस होता है. सो Sophos इज ऑल्सो हैविंग दैट मोबाइल डिवाइस मैनेजमेंट स्टफ वेर यू कैन जस्ट कंट्रोल द BYOD हो या तो कंपनी ओन्ड हो.
Hmm.
सो वॉट एवर
I was about to ask this. So is it only for a user, I mean, company owned device? Because nowadays a lot of bring your own device concept
या
is there, right? So
या
BYOD also you cover up over here?
Yes, BYOD and company owned both are covered up because they are having a different they are having different segments for BYOD and company owned. You can create a work profile in their bring your own device. कंपनी ओन तो आप पूरा का पूरा ही कंट्रोल करोगे बट बिकॉज उनके पर्सनल मोबाइल है वी कैन नॉट कंट्रोल द होल मोबाइल so where we differentiate the work profile and personal profile in that particular stuff and then mobile device management is also there then जैसे मैंने बोला सर्वर्स का ऑलरेडी दे आर हैविंग द प्रोटेक्शन सो सोफस इज हैविंग द सॉल्यूशंस फॉर ईच एंड एवरी सेगमेंट ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम्स लाइक फॉर एंडपॉइंट फॉर एनक्रिप्शन फॉर एमडीएम एंड ऑल तो
Suji, the same question. I agree while you are saying a good protection for endpoint, server, application, encryption, which is a needed component,
या
mobile, not only MDM and UEM, but even the mobile anti-malware.
या
सब बराबर है बट सब देते हैं so what's the unique area I mean pain area क्या है let's say if I go to even I'm not sure about whether Seqrite provide this or not but definitely there are other OEMs also who provide
या
this
Yes.
what was the conversation I mean जैसे हमने last time किया था कि firewall आपने provide किया but
यस
firewall भी सब provide करते हैं what's that
यस
unique so what's that where you felt
यस
that this customer has shifted to?
ये जो कस्टमर था ना उसका माइंडसेट ऐसा था कि मैंने एंड पॉइंट पे प्रोटेक्शन लगा दिया है देन एंड नाउ आई एम सिक्योर सो दैट
हाँ,
कस्टमर इज लाइक कि मैंने ट्रेडिशनल एंड पॉइंट सिक्योरिटी लगा दिया है विच इज इनफ फॉर माय ऑर्गेनाइजेशन टू बी अपार्ट फ्रॉम रेंसम एंड ऑल नाउ माय ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज सेफ बट आजकल जो मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी मतलब जैसे हमारे साथ एआई आया है वैसे हैकर्स के पास भी एआई है so
yes,
they use a kind of legitimate tools and hands on keyboards attack techniques and all to attack.
agree.
तो सिर्फ प्रिवेंट करने से कंपनी का ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सिक्योर नहीं होता. So we shifted our conversation.
मेरा तो एक कंसर्न क्या है यस सो कि ये सब प्रोटेक्शन बराबर है आई एम लुकिंग एट मोर ऑफ आउटकम बेस्ड अप्रोच कि मुझे
Yes.
लाइफ मतलब मेरा लाइफ ये होना चाहिए आई डोंट वांट टू गेट इनटू कि ये अच्छा है वो अच्छा है तो हाँ
Correct,
लाइक
correct.
आई व्हाट आई थिंक संकेत इज टॉकिंग व्हाट इज दिस 2 AM प्रॉब्लम
तो जैसे मैंने बोला कि सिर्फ प्रिवेंट करने से नहीं चीजें ठीक होती मतलब
हाँ
अगर इन बिकॉज आजकल जो भी अटैक्स होते हैं दे हैपेंड इन आइदर ऑन अ हॉलीडेज और अ नाइट इन नाइट्स व्हेन आईटी टीम इज नॉट एट द डेस्क तो अगर 2 बजे किसी के वहां पे कोई रेंसमवेयर अटैक हुआ तो वो कस्टमर के आईटी का जो हैंग अप हो जाएगा ना उनके दिमाग का 2 बजे कौन रिस्पॉन्ड करेगा बिकॉज देर विल बी नो वन हु आर एनालाइजिंग द थ्रेड्स एंड हु आर एनालाइजिंग द अलर्ट्स तो
और आई थिंक उनके
वनरेबल
पास मतलब वो 2 बजे बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द कंपनीज वर्क ऑन वर्किंग आवर्स और 2 बजे मॉनिटर भी कौन करता होगा इट्स
वही सो देर विल
मॉनिटर
बी नो वन
करने के लिए भी वो स्किल्स भी तो यस सो आई थिंक दिस 2 AM इट्स अ नाइस आई थिंक एरिया 2 AM प्रॉब्लम या so I think all this problem happens on weekend and in
वीकेंड्स एंड इन नाइट टाइम्स प्लस
what's
दो
this
बजे
certain guideline
तो 2 बजे तो ठीक है चलो कि नाइट्स एंड वीकेंड्स में अटैक होते हैं बट देन अगर अटैक हो भी गया मतलब लाइक किसी कस्टमर के वहां पे रात को अटैक हो गया तो देर इज अ सर्टेन गाइडलाइंस विच कस्टमर नीड्स टू फॉलो कि आपको विद इन 6 आवर्स वो अटैक को रिपोर्ट करना पड़ता है तो अगर रात के 2 बजे
they have
अटैक
to report within 6 hours
विद इन
मतलब
6 आवर्स टू साइबर यस
and that is certain guideline for all the customers
फॉर ऑल द कस्टमर्स
6 घंटे में तो सुजीता पता भी नहीं
पता
चलेगा
ही नहीं चलेगा
वही
कि
तो
कुछ हुआ
अगर
है।
रात को अटैक हुआ तो सुबह आएंगे तब तक तो सब कंपनी का डेटा निकल
वही
गया
पता ही नहीं चलेगा।
and there must be a penalty while we don't follow the guidelines
यस
right
यस यस यस
so
सो
what's
इट्स
the
हैवी
solution I mean
पेनल्टी लाइक
हम अभी वो एंड ये ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग है बिकॉज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द रियल प्रॉब्लम rather than कि ये कैसे क्या प्रिवेंट करता है वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ प्रॉब्लम विच एवरी कस्टमर फेसेस बिकॉज एक तो मेरे पास बंदे ही नहीं है द पीपल विच वी हैव इज ऑल अबाउट मैनेजिंग द इंफ्रा आईटी नेटवर्क एंड पॉइंट मतलब 2 बजे अटैक भी हो गया कोई पहुंच भी गया तो करेंगे क्या बैकअप रिस्टोर एक ही दिमाग में आता है बैकअप भी रहेगा कि नहीं right so yeah it's all interesting topic which you are talking
या
solution क्या
सो
मतलब
द सॉल्यूशन इज बिकॉज अब बहुत सारी कंपनीज को दो तीन रीजन है। एक तो हमारे पास ह्यूमन एक्सपर्टीज है नहीं कि जो डेडिकेटेड थ्रेट हंटर्स हो, जो वो लैंग्वेज को समझ पाए, जब अटैक हुआ है तो वो कहाँ से हुआ है, कैसे हुआ है, वो एनालाइज करने की स्ट्रेंथ नहीं होती।
एक तो
प्लस
पैनिक हो जाता है ना कस्टमर,
यस,
बिकॉज मैनेजमेंट टू IT team now all are panicked while all this happens, right? Yeah.
और अगर गलती से ऐसा एक दो रिसोर्स मिल भी गया तो उसको टिकाना बहुत मुश्किल है, बिकॉज वो बहुत हाईली पेड रिसोर्सेज होते हैं। तो वो
True.
लॉन्ग टर्म कंपनी में सस्टेन करे और रख भी सकते हो आपसे। यू कैन हैव अ वन और टू रिसोर्स, स्किल्ड रिसोर्स, नॉट मोर देन वन और टू, वेर
And
इन
this all system is very difficult, na? This all
यस,
needs a entire SIEM-SOC platform to be
यस,
on-prem, right? So, or on the cloud. And so for a 500,000 user,
Okay, I think something happened to.
यस, यस,
There you
यस,
go. He's back.
it's back.
यस,
Okay,
Yes.
perfect. So it's not just about, invest. It's all also about investing the right tools, which is again
करेक्ट,
difficult,
करेक्ट।
SMB company, right? So yes, perfect.
So Sophos is having their MDR solutions where they are having a dedicated threat hunters who are present globally, and they are actively working on the threat hunting for the customers network 24 by 7. So
Okay.
now Sophos MDR is a part of Sophos solution from years now, and currently recently there are 39,000 customers who are using
39,000
Sophos.
customer for Sophos for all product,
No,
or
no,
I
no.
mean
No, no, no. That's a catch here. So 39,000 customers are only Sophos MDR customers. So Sophos is having globally
39,000 customers, just you, I mean, are
just
the
they are,
unique
yes,
customer who are
using
using
Sophos
Sophos,
MDR.
and इतने
Yes.
कस्टमर तो शायद कोई कंपनी के पास यूनिक भी नहीं
टोटल
होंगे, और वो
कस्टमर्स भी नहीं होते इतने, बहुत सारे
यस
OEMs के। वेरेन सोफोस के पास टोटल 6 lakhs प्लस कस्टमर्स है, एंड देन आउट ऑफ दैट 6 lakhs प्लस 39,000 प्लस, एंड वी आर
आर
जस्ट
यूजिंग
एडिंग।
दिस सर्विस नाउ एक्टिवली.
Yes, they are using the MDR dedicated services. Recently, I 4 5 months back, the Gangaram Hospital of Delhi. So they were using
Acha.
a CrowdStrike endpoint, and then suddenly, like the 2 a.m. call, their organization has happened, something malicious happened in their organization, in their IT, and then बहुत सारा केओस हो गया था। वो पूरा आर्टिकल भी आया था न्यूज में। सो रिसेंटली वी हैव अक्वायर्ड गंगाराम हॉस्पिटल। दे आर
Oh,
नाउ शिफ्टेड
I
फ्रॉम
think Chitle Dairy is also a long time
यस,
customer. Yeah, the
यस,
case study is there on website as well,
यस,
right?
यस।
So they
So
are
we
again
have
on
recently
MDR.
acquired all these customers to Sophos MDR।
39,000, definitely it's a huge number.
Yes,
Uh, on MDR, if you can, so it's all about 24/7 monitoring,
yes,
which Sophos team is doing now. So
yes,
as you referred 2 a.m. call, so
yeah,
tomorrow if something goes wrong at 2 a.m.,
yeah,
Sophos will alert, mitigate, manage, right?
yes,
That's what
yes,
the ownership which you are talking about, right? That's
yes.
all what we are. How much data we are talking. So what's the kind of solution which we are talking about? It's
So
again
Sophos,
AI driven.
yeah, so it's again AI driven. So initially there was a Sophos dedicated MDR team will detect the threat within a minute. So like
Hmm.
within a minute they will be it's because it's an AI driven, it will take around 80 90 seconds to 1 minute. So they will detect the threat in 1 minute. They will investigate it till for 25 minutes. They will do all the necessary investigation and all, and then after 12 minutes of investigation, they will make customers environment up and running with all
And
the
this all data is not theory. It's all about the practical of 39,000 people are using it.
yes, yes,
And I
yes,
think 39 people, if I'm not wrong, Suchita, is about the Sophos install base. If I'm
yes,
not wrong, they have acquired SecureWorks
secure
last
homes.
year, right?
Yes,
It's a
yes,
US headquartered company,
yes.
leader, where almost I think all Fortune 500 company uses SecureWorks as the services and the platform.
Correct.
And that
Yes.
company is now part of Sophos. So
Yes. Yes. Yes.
these MDR services with SecureWorks, I think it's the sky is the limit over there on the services which they can offer. I think even last time when you covered up incident response services, that is
Yeah.
again by Sophos, powered by Secure Works, right? So I think this
Yes.
fantastic because here we are talking about detection to response. So absolutely. So that
And in
2
between
a.m.
this all, in
Sorry.
between this the incident, in between the whole kind of 38 minutes, another thing which another two area which I want to highlight Sophos is providing in Sophos MDR is first they are providing a ransom negotiation also
Okay.
as a
Oh.
part of the service of MDR only.
So it's not
And
just about that they will protect, but if incident happens to
yeah,
anyone, they
yeah,
provide these services which
yes,
are all about, yeah, awesome.
yes, yes.
Perfect. Awesome.
And then
Suchita,
they are,
again, there could be many people providing MDR,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
कुछ assurance देंगे मतलब कि अच्छा सर्विस है मतलब what's the I mean
तो सर
do
हमारा
they give
अच्छा
any
सर्विस है वो
warranty?
तो नंबर्स ने बता दिया बट देन another with yes I was just about to highlight this point that Sophos is offering a breach protection warranty if customer is
Mhm.
buying an MDR. It's not about कि वो हम बोलते हैं ऐसा कि breach warranty देना है बट वो प्रूफ देते हैं कि after implementing MDR nothing will happen in your network.
It's a assurance.
It's a cyber assurance kind of stuff.
Yeah, absolutely.
पैसे
Yeah.
नहीं देना उनको बट क्योंकि कस्टमर को आजकल श्योरिटी देना बहुत जरूरी है
So
तो
how many? What's the value of that?
इट्स
It's
अप टू 1
USD.
million
Oh, $1 million
up to 1
assurance
million
is what we
yes.
are. Oh,
It's
That's a
awesome.
just
lot of money.
to give customer a safe and one more advantage कि to give them a trust कि हमारा MDR implement करने के बाद नहीं होने वाला कुछ like their environment is 100% secure. So this is what we are
Yeah,
offering.
assurance definitely is needed because in legacy time we used to say that whatever is the security solution, those are
Yes,
not 100% protected and all, and people used to just talk about that have those implemented. But now while a $1 million backed up assurance we are talking,
yes,
it's all about
yes,
the customer also understand that what kind of and level of service they must be providing. Yes, I
yes.
was about to ask that is it MDR as a category is now recognized by the third party?
It is measured, Gartner,
I think
MITRE
Frost
ATT&CK,
and Sullivan
everyone
got
has
that.
recognized the MDR. And for the endpoints, no other OEM is present in Gartner's leader quadrant for consecutive 17 years. So Sophos is present for consecutive 17 years now.
17 years into a Gartner leader
Yes,
quadrant.
yes,
Oh, awesome. Suchita, now again a question where we talk about MDR as a service and we are talking about our complete platform, right? So,
yeah,
including my network security, application security,
yes,
my web applications, right? So, my endpoint. I understand Sophos now have 26 different solutions. Sophos
right,
also has the best in class firewall at the network layer or email security, many other. आप
yes,
बोलोगे मैं सब कुछ एक साथ तो रिप्लेस नहीं कर सकता ना तो मतलब एमडीआर में लूंगा and you
yes, yes,
be
yes,
managing not only my endpoint but all the
yes,
layer, right?
yes, yes,
But
yes.
I can't change everything in the first go, right? So what's the game changer? What's that which so do I need to change everything or how?
That's the beauty of Sophos, that Sophos doesn't force you to change everything. So Sophos is giving 365 plus integrations for free with inbuilt in MDR
Free.
licenses. Free. So there is no additional cost of that part of integrations. So जैसे
So
हम
as a
लोग
MDR service,
yes,
if I don't have example Sophos firewall, I'm using
yes,
Fortinet or Palo Alto. Or let's say
yeah,
let's take a reverse scenario that I don't have endpoint. I
yeah,
use CrowdStrike or Sentinel one, or I have
yeah,
another email security. You mean to say this 370 different integration, which
yeah,
you are talking free,
yes, yes,
Sophos will provide me this as a service
yes,
irrespective of my
yes,
security
yes,
platform.
yes. So Sophos will collect all the logs. They will analyze the logs from all these integration products like Vim as a backup. अभी जो हम customer के पास गए थे, they are using Securite endpoint and they are having Fortinet as in firewall. So we have not force them to change their firewall. We have just implemented a Sophos MDR solution for their 720 endpoints and 15 servers. Complete network on Sophos MDR, and then they were using Beam as in backup, O365 as in email security, Fortinet as in firewall. So all this has been integrated on this single platform of Sophos Central MDR.
Oh, awesome, awesome. That's the
Okay.
beauty, because I'm looking at
Yes,
the
yes.
outcome
Yeah.
without making sure that from day one I don't need to change my existing
Yes,
security
yes,
state.
yes.
So,
So
and
we are not
it,
forcing customers to change their entire network to Sophos.
and earlier I think for any other company also all this integration is a cost, right? You are saying it's
Yes, yes,
part of the solution.
yes.
But I
And
think best part, because while we talk about apple to apple stuff on
yeah,
security, that endpoint to endpoint or firewall to firewall or email security to email security, we are talking about the outcome focused approach here. So
yes.
fantastic. Great. Awesome.
Now,
Awesome.
because SecureWorks platform is also integrated into Sophos Central, so now they have renamed that Sophos Central as an AI cyber defense native system. So all this kind of integration and SecureWorks technologies are also now integrated into Sophos Central.
I think Pranav can put in the link where people wants to know more about this. They can reach out to our security expert and we can talk more in this regards, or they can reach out and demonstrate into our feature demo session. Sanket, over to you, and probably last 7-8 minutes, the third part, again pretty
Absolutely.
interesting. Yes, what's in it?
Sure. Sure. Okay. Well,